While the aviation sector has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons recently, because of the recent plane crash and the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, the commercial figures tell a story of less turbulence. International aircraft manufacturer Airbus won record-breaking sales at the recent Farnborough Air Show in Britain, sealing deals valued at $75 billion for 496 aircraft. This is good news for South Africa's aviation sector as the deal translates into more local business. Centurion-based Aerosud Holdings makes vital components for Airbus.
Any sale of new commercial aircraft obviously have an impact on our order book, and the backlog of orders from Airbus is quite significant. So that means that we have job security and order security going into the future.
The international aerospace sector is confident in South African expertise. Aerosud supplies fuselage and wing components for the Airbus A320 family single-aisle aircraft. The aircraft manufacturer received over 300 orders for this airplane at the air show.
From an aviation manufacturing point of view, you'll find that the growth has been steady, especially for Aerosud over the last 15 years. However, the industry at large still have a huge potential to grow its capacity, its quality approvals and its recognition in the international market.
There's been much debate about the need for South Africa to industrialize and create jobs to improve the country's economic growth. According to statistics released in May by Stats SA, the manufacturing sector's contribution to GDP has been declining since 1993.
Manufacturing contributed around about 17% to GDP prior to the 2009 global financial crisis. Subsequently, we've shrunk significantly. At first, it was around about 15% and then shrunk back to about 13, 12, and now around about 11% of GDP.
While that may be true, the aviation sector is bucking the trend. But due to the high levels of skills required in the industry, it is not creating enough jobs.
It's unlikely that one deal like this will result in sufficient job creation to counteract the hundreds of thousands of jobs that we've lost over the last 5 years or so. You must remember at the end of 2009, we employed 2 million jobs in the economy. Manufacturing has since lost more than 300,000 jobs.
While the Airbus contract is good news for the local aviation manufacturing sector, it's going to take a lot more to turn the manufacturing sector around. Balentle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.